Hello guys, this is Christina here and you're watching Paracham YouTube channel. Guys, if you're very new to the channel, please subscribe and like, share, and maybe comment down below and let me know what you think about my technical analysis. So now I'm going to tell you that this candle here on the daily candle, as you can see, it's very green, very strong. And this one here is a three-wave down. So we're going to have we're gonna have to wait, see what happens here. So if the markets kind of like do something like this, then we're expecting for another like down. But if it continues going to the upside, there's possibility that this is the whole thing is going to be a leading diagonal, or maybe it's a 1-2-1-2 to the upside for the fifth wave up, right? So there's a lot of TAs out there that's gonna tell you that, hey, this is a double bottom, like like they're gonna draw something like this. Blah. All right, it's gonna be every time you see a double bottom, they're gonna say, hey, it's double bottom, it's gonna go up. But anyway, sorry for not making any much video because there's not much clarity. I think the last video I made was somewhere around here. I said we're going to take long here, all the spots holder. But if you guys want to get like really fast update, guys, just go to the link description down below and look for the link to my group chat because that's where you're going to get all the information. All right, now let's have a quick TA update here. I'm going to do it quick and less boring. Okay, now you can see here on the daily it has already crossed on the MACD with this candle here. So a lot of people are going to take a long here the moment this candle closed green like this, but some of them already taken here. But this is where it's gonna show us exactly what the the whales, the investors, the traders, they're gonna do. But usually, if I see something like this, I'm expecting something like that before going that, and the MACD is gonna do something like this, and it's gonna make a bull divergence like that. It is much more better that it has something like this. But with this candle being so strong here, there's possibility that this is a 1-2-1-2. Now, if you're not new to Elliot wave perspective, you wouldn't know what is a 1-2-1-2, right? So I'm gonna do it a brief quick. Let me tell you what exactly is a 1-2-1-2. So basically, if this was the bottom and this is like a like a 1-2-1-2, something like that, right? And then internally you're gonna have another 1-2, just like that. Okay, so that's why it's called a 1-2-1-2, right? So the other plan is that this is the fifth wave up, and we're in some kind of leading diagonal, doing something like this, which is possible as well, and then we're gonna expect a pullback like that. Okay, so the fifth wave could do like something of like a double top thing before coming down. And you guys, you have to remember that if it closed somewhere around here, market's gonna turn really bullish and people's gonna take it up. So I think that if it goes like this, it might just go with the 1-2-1-2 instead of this one here. Okay, so now we take a look on the RSI. It's very in the middle, so there's much more to the upside to go because there's really no divergence at the moment, indicating that it's coming down. But you want to be careful about this one on the 4-hour as well, because it's pretty much overbought and it's only right here and it's already at the top of the RSI. So is the MACD. If you closer to the 3 hours, it is the same as well. 2 hours, 1 hour, everything is feeling overbought. So I mean, higher time frame is saying up, but lower time frame is saying it's probably gonna reset very soon. So how the market gonna reset with this pump here? There's possibility that it's gonna do some sideways like that, and then make another high before coming down, and it's gonna look like this on the RSI. High, and then we're gonna get a bear divergence like that. So we're gonna watch out for this move right here. So I think I pretty covered that much, like within a short period. Well, there is a debate that's saying that, this is going to be going up and it's going to come down as well. Yeah, but listen, correction is really difficult and it takes time, right? I mean, it could fool you, right? It could, make a drop and then, go sideways for a few days before actually making another drop, which means it could, do, something like this, sideways, and you're gonna get cranky up right here, and a lot of people are gonna lose money right here. Okay, so y'all have to be careful about it. But I cannot make videos every time I see some changes move to the market, right? So I have live. So you guys wanna really really take things seriously. Maybe you could join my chat group, you could join my channel, and you'll see all the update there. So if you're not a trader yourself, you want to make it easy, you could get a Bing Bong account and you could copy my trades. I trade them really with low risk. It's really good. So we're still going to debate that this is an impulse down. It could be an expanded flat, but I still think that this is a 5-wave down. So I'm expecting something, like this, and then bam. So, or maybe, like the triangle sideways and then bam. All right, something like that as well. So probably not that low. Sorry, I drew that. That sideways, and then bam. Okay, and then we go up. Okay, so I'm expecting this move here, but it doesn't necessarily has to happen because indicating showing that this here is actually a correction. So it shows me that clarity, the only clarity is that this is a correction. The down move is a correction. We are actually looking for a high, and we are actually looking for a new top here before coming down. Okay, this move here is corrective. All right, I repeat, this move here is corrective. We are expecting for a new local high, maybe not the top, not the new high, but the local high, which is right here, and then before coming down. Okay, that is 100%. I'm sure that's gonna happen. All right, like this, or like this, or a triangle sideways. Okay, this. Oh, shit. Sorry about that. Like this. Okay. Bam. All right. So we'll have to see, but we can see on the daily time frame it's very low, so it's gonna take time for it to go back up. Probably market's gonna make a new high, and then the RSI is not gonna make a new high, and then we have the a huge bear divergence, and then the whole thing's gonna crash. Everybody's gonna cry, right? Why Bitcoin do that? Because you don't know any TA that you have to think. A lot of people bought their Bitcoin right here. A lot of people bought their Bitcoins right here. So a lot of people bought, at the bottom of the 3,000. You're gonna ask yourself, when are you gonna sell your Bitcoin, right? People are gonna say, I'm gonna hold it forever. Dude, don't do that. Follow the TA. Okay, if you do that, it's crazy. But there's crazy people about Bitcoin. Even though they say, I'm not gonna sell my Bitcoin, and by the time it comes here, they sell it, and then they're gonna keep saying, I'm not gonna sell my Bitcoin, and then the whole thing just crash. All right, so remember, guys, if you want to invest something, you want to make money out of it, so you're gonna sell your investments. All right, guys. We're gonna take a look at the smaller time frame here. As you can see, there's really not much of a bear divergence on the 15 minutes. There's not much on the 5 minutes as well. They don't have bear divergence here as well. So I'm expecting some kind of a move down and then another high to make the bull divergence. And to be honest, I'm only expecting some kind of a 90% retracement to here. Okay, so I'm expecting something like this, bam, and then drop. Okay, so I'm gonna pull the fib and let's see what we get. Start from here to here to here. Oh, it's gonna hit the 1.618 if it goes there. So I guess we got a reaction on the 1.272 right here. We do have a reaction over there. Let me remove this fib. Yeah, we got some reaction on the 1.272. So, all right. So I have another theory that, people see this candle here. It's like crazy. Oh my God, Bitcoin is bumping. Let's buy, 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 buy. But in the end, it's gonna do some kind of a tricky thing, and then suddenly, bam. Okay, could happen as well. Like it could do some kind of a bar, bam. Okay, so we're gonna be careful here. I am long right here, so I put my stop loss at break even. So we're do contemplating on taking profit here, but I want to see that if I get the bear divergence before really start closing my position right now. Okay. All right, guys. So I think that's about it for today. I keep it short because I don't want to say too much in a video. So if you guys want to, check out my channel, it's link description down below. Just join us, and you will see that there's a lot of charts you could study. And also, I do coaching as well. But recently, I'm really busy, so I'm not doing much coaching. But if you really need me, if you want to learn from me, you're gonna pay a lot of money to actually buy my time. Okay, for now, I'm not teaching any uh, coaching right now. So basically, this is some kind of a bear divergence. So if I would measure that this is a pattern, everybody measure this pattern, right? So there's a target's going to be somewhere around here, around the double top here, probably like a 90% thing. All right, or it could be just right here, excuse me, somewhere around here. Okay, you could do something like this. You can see it happened before, right? The market pump like an impulse, pull back, and then it makes a new high. Same thing, market pumps like an impulse, pull back, and then make a new high, and then bam, you die, right? So just be careful. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and have a great day. And make sure to subscribe, like, and share, comment down below. Bye bye.